To install billg, you have to go billg website www.billgcoin.com. Then click on Google Play Store and install billg app from Play Store. After installation completed, open billg app and click on Login. Select your country and enter your phone number, then click on Submit. After submitting your contact information, fill in your username, name and strong password. After entering strong password, click on Register and then put in your referral code and click on Submit. Here your app is open now and ready to use, and you have got 25 coins on login. Congrats! Now slide to mine and earn lots of coins by watching different ads. And you can also earn coins through referrals. Copy your referral link and share it with friends.